Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this episode I'll be sharing tips that will make you become a profitable forex trader. First and foremost, before you start trading, there's what we call analysis. And analysis helps you make informed decisions. That's to say, it helps you know the right time to pick a trade and the right time to get off the market. So we call it analysis. As a forex trader, you need to analyze the market first before you get into the market. If you want to enjoy forex trading to its fullest, you have to understand the three elements of forex trading. This will be a guide to help you become profitable. When we talk about the three elements of forex trading, one is the fundamental analysis, two, the technical analysis, and three, the sentimental analysis. You can use all this analysis to get an informed decision to get into the market and to get off the market. The fundamental analysis are core infrastructure of forex trading because they are what moves the market, which are the 6 important economic events such as the CPI, PPI, retail sales, PMI, NFP, and the popular FOMC. All this news moves the market aggressively. As a forex trader, if you want massive results, you have to participate in these news because this news can enable you make massive profit or massive loss, depends on your analysis. Then when you talk about the sentimental analysis, it has to do with what people are doing at the moment. Are they buying or are they selling? With that, you can be able to make informed decisions. That is what the sentimental analysis is all about. The sentimental analysis has to also do is a combination of the technical and the fundamental. Then when you talk about the technical analysis has to be study of previous events and analyzing previous data to help you make an informed decision. So as a forex trader, you need to learn this analysis, even if you're not going to be learning the three of them, but at least the fundamental analysis is a basic for every forex trader to maximize and make profit, because during this news I just mentioned, the market moves so aggressively, like you can make so much, flipping of account happens, a lot of massive profit happens, and a lot of massive losses happen at the same time. So depends on your analysis. So as a forex trader, it's important you understand the three elements of forex trading when it comes to do with analysis: fundamental, technical, sentimental analysis. So guys, do you want to be a profitable forex trader? Head straight to the website probabafx.net. Pick your preferred service. Better still, you can purchase the book Becoming a Profitable Forex Trader, and your recommended broker still remains CM Trading. Guys, what are you waiting for? Let's milk it.
ProbabaFx shop for you.